Besides talking about universal brotherhood, the uniqueness about Islam is that it practically demonstrates the universal brotherhood. The Muslims are supposed to demonstrate the universal brotherhood 5 times a day in the Salaah. When we offer Salaah, we practically demonstrate the universal brotherhood. It's mentioned in Sahih Bukhari, volume number 1, in the book of Adhan, chapter number 75, Hadith number 692, that Hazrat Anas, may Allah be pleased with him, he said, that when we stood for Salah, the shoulder of the companions touched with the shoulder of the companion. Our feet touched with the feet of a companion. The beloved Prophet said. It's mentioned Sunnah Abu Dawud, volume number 1, in the book of Salah, chapter number 245, Hadith number 666. Our beloved Prophet said, before starting the Salah, that straighten your rows, stand shoulder to shoulder, and do not leave any gap or opening for the devil. The Prophet said, stand close to each other during Salah and do not leave any opening for the devil. The Prophet was not referring to the devil which you see in the Onida TV ad. You know the Onida TV ad? The devil with the 2 horns and a tail? The Prophet was not referring to that devil. He was referring to the devil of racism, of caste, of color, of wealth, irrespective whether you're rich or poor, whether you're king or pauper. When you stand for prayers, when you stand for Salah, stand shoulder to shoulder, so that the brotherhood increases. The devil of racism, of caste, of color, of greed, of wealth does not come in between you.